Welcome back to our workout videos. Remember that you can download this workout on a PDF format through the link in the description. On this video, we will focus on breaststroke, but this is not just a normal workout. We will review the fundamentals of breaststroke and then put them into practice with some speed on the main set. This workout is 1,500 meters or yards long, with an extra 300 optional. The first thing we will do is warm up the hips. Do 10 circles clockwise and then 10 circles counterclockwise. Then warm up the hip flexors and abductors by doing these two movements. 10 kicks on each movement with each leg. You can grab onto something for stability. To warm up and stretch the glutes, grab your knees alternating each leg. Finally, do 5 to 10 squats to warm up the knees. Now you're ready to get in the pool and do 450s freestyle swim. Then do 4 10 seconds of sculling. This will help you finish warming up your knees. Now, for technique, do 425s breaststroke kick without a kickboard. Do 2 or 3 kicks, then you can come up to breathe. Now, do 425s dolphin kick with breaststroke arms. The point of this exercise is for you to raise your torso high and shoot forward with the help of your dolphin kick. In breaststroke, the fastest part of the stroke is when you finish your kick and you're in a streamline after you shoot your arms forward. So practice that position. Now, to practice a strong kick, do 10 pushes off the wall. But try to get into a breaststroke kick position. Open your legs a little bit and put your ankles on dorsiflexion and your knees pointing out. Now, to relax those leg muscles a little, do 100 backstroke. The main set consists of breaststroke pyramid. We will start with just a pull out to the middle of the pool, so 12.5 meters or yards. Then we will do a 25 starting from the middle of the pool and ending there too. We will add 12.5 again. So start in the middle of the pool and go to the wall with a good open turn and finish that 25. Now go up to a 50 breaststroke. Make sure to have a good pull out and an open turn. Add a 25 now to do 75. Then 100 breaststroke twice. Now come down the pyramid, doing faster swims as you come down. The last 12.5 will be from the middle of the pool to the wall. So make it fast, make it a good finish. Now we will do some fast 25s breaststroke, but first do 100 freestyle to loosen the muscles. This short set consists of 8 25s increasing speed from 1 to 4 and then 5 to 8. So to be clear, there will only be 2 sprints, the 4th and the 8th. The next part is optional. If you want to increase your endurance a little bit, do 3 100s freestyle, resting only 10 seconds after each. To warm down, do 2 50s double arm backstroke. Don't forget to stretch. I'll leave you a link in the description for you to download it and take it to the pool. If you want a new workout every time you go swim, you might be interested in our subscription workout service. Click here to find out more. See you there, swim fast!